Did you know that a simple good morning message could completely change the way a woman perceives you? Today, I'm going to reveal a powerful secret that will transform how she starts her day and, most importantly, how you connect with women. Imagine this. You send a message that not only makes her smile but also keeps her thinking about you all day, intrigued and excited. What if you could stay on her mind with just one message? Think about it. When was the last time you sent a good morning message and anxiously waited for a response? Don't worry, you're not alone. Most men make critical mistakes in this first interaction of the day and end up missing valuable opportunities to create a deeper connection. Throughout this video, I'll teach you how to use these 7 powerful messages to start the day in the best way possible, capturing that woman's attention from the very first good morning. Get ready, what you learn today could completely change your game. Before we begin, please like this video if you enjoy this content or let us know how we can improve. Message 1, the mystery. The first good morning message is designed to activate one of the most powerful mental triggers in any interaction, curiosity. The message is, "Good morning, you won't believe the dream I had about you last night." This simple phrase automatically activates the imagination of the person receiving it. By saying you dreamed about her, you're implying that she was on your mind during the night, which is intriguing and attractive. The key here is not to reveal what happened in the dream, leaving an air of mystery that will keep her thinking about you all day. The human mind tends to focus on unresolved questions, and this message leverages that natural inclination. She will wonder what your dream was about, whether it was romantic or just an interesting moment. Either way, this ensures that you'll be on her mind as she tries to decipher the mystery. This message works on multiple levels. Not only do you generate intrigue, but you also imply that you care enough to share an intimate moment, even if it was just a dream. Message 2, touching the heart. The second good morning message focuses on touching deep emotions by showing genuine interest in the other person's dreams and aspirations. The message is, "Good morning. I hope today is filled with great achievements for you. What is your biggest dream right now?" Here, you're doing something essential. Not only are you wishing her well for her day, but you're also showing interest in what truly matters to her in life. People appreciate it when someone asks about their dreams or aspirations because it shows genuine interest in their feelings and long-term goals. By asking about her biggest dream, you open the door to a deeper conversation that can transcend trivial topics and elevate the interaction to a more emotional level. This type of message creates a deeper emotional connection and sparks interesting conversations about her passions and goals, strengthening your bond. Message 3, awakening creativity. The third message is designed to awaken creativity and invite her to dream and imagine. The message is, "Good morning. If you could be anywhere in the world right now, where would you be?" This type of message opens the door to a creative and meaningful conversation while allowing her to imagine herself in a place that makes her feel good. Imagination is a powerful tool for generating positive emotions. By posing this question, you encourage her to think of a place that inspires or brings her happiness, associating those feelings with you. At the same time, you're giving her an opportunity to share something personal, which strengthens emotional connection and creates an atmosphere of openness and trust. Message 4, awakening wonder. The fourth message is designed to awaken wonder and intrigue while keeping her interest throughout the day. The message is, Good morning. Something amazing happened last night that made me think of you. I'll tell you later. This message is perfect for planting a seed of curiosity that will keep her interested in knowing what happened. By not immediately revealing the details, you create an air of mystery that keeps her thinking about you all day long. When you finally share the details, you generate curiosity while ensuring she remains engaged and eager to hear from you. Message 5. Reliving memories. The fifth message leverages the power of nostalgia to strengthen bonds. The message is, Good morning. I remembered the day we went to the park. It was so special. How about we relive that moment? By bringing up a special moment you both shared, you revive positive emotions and create anticipation for future experiences. This message reinforces the closeness you felt during that memory and suggests the possibility of creating similar moments in the future. Message 6. Subtle compliments. The sixth message focuses on giving subtle yet genuine compliments that have a stronger impact than generic flattery. The message is, Good morning. You know what I admire most about you? Your smile lights up any room. Compliments about specific personal traits are much more powerful than vague ones because they show you've truly paid attention to what makes her unique. By focusing on something special, like her smile, you make her feel seen and appreciated on a deeper level. Message 7. Creating anticipation. The seventh message is designed to create anticipation and excitement, ensuring she thinks about you throughout the day. The message is, Good morning. I'm planning a surprise for you. I can't wait to see your reaction. This message plays with anticipation, one of the most effective tools for keeping someone interested and excited. By hinting at a surprise, you give her something to look forward to, generating excitement and curiosity that will keep her thinking about you until the surprise is revealed. Would you like to learn how to capture the attention of women who interest you? I've discovered some effective keys for making women feel more attracted to you. Before we wrap up, please comment with a 1 if you like this content or a Z if we can improve it further. Relationships are all about capturing the attention of that special someone. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications for more tips to improve your results.